For the next 3 years, the current administration is looking forward to fully maximize the urban development of Pasig River. Through this project, PBBM aims to restore and revitalize the area to look and feel like the waterways overseas. Catherine Landicho returns for the details.
Urban development of Pasig River wants to get finished after 3 years according to President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. This target is to finish the urban development of the Pasig River, focusing on the functional improvement and revitalization of the area within 3 years. Marcos said the project is set to make the Pasig River look and feel like famous waterways like the Seine in Paris and the Thames in London. Meanwhile, in their president's speech at the attended 500-meter showcase area of the Manila Old Downtown segment of PRUDP, where 250 meters of development has been completed on the esplanade from Jones Bridge to Plaza Mexico and Fort Santiago in Intramuros. The president mentioned the functional development for it. Phase 1C includes functional development, which includes a pedestrian commercial zone and green space that also includes rental stalls, walkways, bike lanes, and boardwalks. This is Catherine Landicho for Euro TV News.